Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick again, and I am here for day 4 of Vlogmas 2022. Woohoo! I hope you're doing great today. I know I am having a fabulous day. Getting ready for Christmas is such a good time. I am starting to work on my garland because this year for Vlogmas, we're doing everything deck the halls, and I am going to show you a different garland that I think is adorable every single day between December 1st and December 25th. So today's garland comes to us from Etsy.com. It is not a pattern, but really you don't need a pattern for this. If you have a pom-pom maker, then you know how to make this. It looks like a piece of cake. It's just pom-poms, different colored pom-poms, and in this particular example they are using red, white, and cream and different variations of those together, and that's it. And how adorable is that going to look on a tree or in front of your mantle or hanging in a doorway or a window? It's going to be super cute. I just love pom-poms. As some of you know, if you've been watching my channel lately, I'm a little bit obsessed with pom-poms. So when I saw this, I was like, that's super cute. And I opened it up and saw that it was on Etsy for $18. I was like, whoa, holy cow, I could make that today, like for free. So super cute. Save yourself $18 and make yourself a pom-pom garland because it's really cute. Seriously, the pom-pom maker and the yarn I don't think would come up to $18. But I get it, like the person on Etsy, you know, they have to make this stuff and that's time consuming, and then they have to ship it out and that's time consuming and expensive. So I get it. I understand why they charge. I'm just saying that you and I, we are lucky enough to be able to do it ourselves, and we don't need to pay $18 for this adorable little garland. So anyway, let me know if you're making a garland this year, or if you just like watching videos and seeing other people's ideas, which honestly is one of my favorite things. I love to just look for ideas, and I decided that I'm just going to share those ideas with you guys because that's fun for me. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow with another fun garland for Vlogmas 2022. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.